Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. There's some things happening back there. Today we're going to be opening up our Allure beauty box for February 2020. This is a $15 a month subscription. In here we should have between 5 to 7 beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup samples, sometimes full-size products. This box typically tends to have more high-end products, I've discovered. It's really actually a really good box for $15. I think it's the best cheaper box, under $20 box in my opinion. But yeah, let's just go ahead and open her up. As always, if I don't know something is cruelty free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, so make sure you're checking that if you care about that. I also will research all the values and all that stuff, put the actual values of the samples down there, so that will always be in the description box as well, so make sure you're opening that up. So first things first, we have this little pamphlet right here that's going to tell us everything we're getting, as well as why a particular editor at Allure magazine chose the item to be in this box. So that's always interesting. The box itself looks just like this. It comes wrapped in tissue paper, which is very nice. Okay, so first I will pull out this thing right here. I'm pretty sure this is a bonus product just because I saw an advertisement for it right there on the back of the box. So this is something that they do occasionally. It's kind of like maybe Olay sponsored it sort of deal, but it's not really included in the value of the box. So anyways, this is the Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer. It is fragrance free. I believe this brand is not cruelty free though, if I remember correctly. I will have to research that, but I'm pretty sure they're not cruelty free. So here's the big box. Here's the product. So, you know, why do they do that? It's so stupid. There's also a coupon in here for $3 off a full-sized one. So there's that. I will probably just go ahead and pass it along to a friend. Retinol is good for like anti-aging, that kind of thing. So while I would love to use it because I'm an old lady, I will probably be giving this to a friend. Okay, on to everything else. So let's just go ahead and pull this out right away because I know it's not cruelty free. This is from Belif. This is, I think, the Aqua Bomb. Oh, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. I've gotten this a million times. I think I've gotten it in Allure. I know for sure I've gotten it in Sephora Play, possibly Ipsy. Not sure, but I've received it multiple times. I don't know if the stuff's any good. I just know it's expensive and it's not cruelty free. So I'm not going to be using it. Probably just be passing it along to a friend. It has a nice clean scent and it's like blue. I'll show you that if you can tell. It's like a little bit blue. But yeah, so I'm not going to be using it. Let me get a full-size value on that for you. So the full size is $38. Yikes. Okay, so let's see. The next thing I'm going to pull out is this thing right here wrapped up. Okay, so this is from Wander Beauty. The packaging is super cute. It is a cruelty-free brand. This is the Wondrous Glow in After Hours. So I'm going to guess a highlighter. So there it is. It's very pretty. It's like a warm tone champagne sort of color, I would say. Go ahead and do a quick swatch of it. So there it is on my finger. So yeah, definitely nice. I like that a lot. I will probably use that, not gonna lie. So that looks really good. That is a, decent sample size right there. Takes me forever to go through highlighter because I'm not big on highlighting my cheekbones, but I love to do my nose and my Cupid's bow. So let's get a full size value on that. So the full size is $30, so a little bit pricey, not something I would typically pay for a highlighter. But yeah, excited to try. I think I've tried a blush from them. I'm not sure if I've tried a highlighter. Okay, let's move on. Let's just go and pull out this brush right here. Okay, so this is a brush from NYX. Looks like a blush brush or maybe a foundation brush. Let's see what they're calling it. So you could have gotten one of 3 NYX brushes. I'll show you the picture right there. So there's the 3 you could have gotten. I got this one right here. So there's a Pro Powder brush, a Pro Contour brush, and a Pro Multi-Purpose Buffing brush. I think this is the buffing brush if I had to guess. So yeah, excited to get this. It feels very soft. I enjoy getting brushes, so not mad to get that. And it says the value on this is $14 to $17, so yay. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is a sheet mask right here. This is this Super Beau'Tea mask in Rose. The brand is Honey Jarret, I think is what that says. Down at the bottom there, Honey Jarret. The glare is bad. There we go. I've never heard of this brand. It says made in Korea, so I think it is K-Beauty. Not sure if it's cruelty free. So, for the fact that this has rose in it, and I do not like the scent of rose at all, I'm probably just going to go ahead and throw this into a giveaway. Let's go ahead and get a value on that, though. So, $3 is the value on that, so not bad for a sheet mask. I'm just trying to see what it claims it does. So, it contains antioxidant, brightening, and calming effects, which allow the skin to stay moisturized and rejuvenated. So, sounds pretty good, but again, I don't like the scent of rose, and the little editor right here is saying that it smells strongly of a botanic garden, so not for me. The next thing I am pulling out is from BareMinerals, which is cruelty free. I'm not sure exactly what this is. Let's see, Skinlongevity? What is this? So it says Skinlongevity Vital Power Infusion. After cleansing, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck. Use morning and night. So I think it's a moisturizer. If I had to guess, well, let me see what the little guide here is saying. So it's a watery serum between. So use it after toning but before moisturizing. So it's just like a serum, I guess. I'll give it a try. Decent sample size amount for like a serum if you're only using 2 pumps at a time. So the full size is $58, so a little bit expensive, but I find that serums tend to be a little more pricey. Okay, let's get into the last item. This looks to be a lipstick. This is from Cargo Cosmetics, which is cruelty free. This is the Essential Lip Color in Santa Fe. I have tried a lip color from Cargo before. Pretty sure I got it in an Allure beauty box as well. It's very like moisturizing and creamy, that sort of deal, so it's not gonna have like a long lasting power, but it does feel really nice on the lips, so I like that. Here's the color. It's like a nude. I'll go ahead and give it a swatch on my hand here for you. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. I have been trying to find my new perfect nude. I used to have this one, well, I still have it. It's almost gone. From Ulta. I got it as like a free sample or something. I don't know. But it was called Pink Chocolate, and they don't make it anymore. So I've been like on the hunt to find a perfect nude. Like if I could show you right here, like all these nude lipsticks I have. I got these 3 from Too Faced. None of them are perfect. And then I got 2 more from Ulta. They look very similar on camera, but they're different. And they're not my perfect nude either. So this right here looks like it might be the color I'm looking for. Like I like a nude with a little bit of pink in it. Like a pinky brown, pink chocolate as it was called. So hopefully this works out because just looking at it, it looks like it might be the right color. So excited to get that. And the full size value is $22. So a little bit expensive, but if it's my perfect color, I would pay it. Alright, so that's everything we got in here. This was a pretty decent box. We have the lipstick, which was makeup, and the highlighter, which I'm excited to try. We have the 2 skincares with the Belif Aqua Bomb and the BareMinerals Serum. Oh, 3 if you count the Retinol from Olay. Oh, and a face mask. So it was very skincare heavy. But the makeup we got, I'm excited to try too. So this was a pretty good box. I'm excited about this box. What did you guys think? I always love to hear your thoughts and opinions right down there in the comment section. So I'd love to know if you like this box, if you hated this box, and if you get this box. So let me know right down there. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. And if you want to see more videos like this for me, more unboxings, more dogs whining back there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. Oh, I'm sorry. You weren't the whiny one, I know. I know. It was your brother. Oh. Anyways, that's all we have for today. We'll see you guys soon. Bye. Oh, okay. Are you done? Anything else? Okay, now we can go? Okay, I think now we can go. Bye.